Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade hinata. So let's start. Materials required for our drawing are a mechanical pencil for sketching part, a cotton bud for blending, one 2B, 6B and 8B shading pencils, a 15 cm scale and a black pen. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use scale to measure the different areas of the face. Then mark it with pen or pencil. This method will give you a rough idea about your drawing. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want. If you are a beginner, this will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. And also, as always, I will recommend you to use a printout as this method is quite hard if you use your phone because you have to adjust the picture accordingly. Now for the shading part, use black pen to shade the hairs. Again use black pen and cover the hair completely. Use 2B pencil for the face and blend it with cotton bud. Now use 6B pencil for the neck areas and blend it. Again use 2B pencil and blend it. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.